Deep in the sparkling sea, a pirate ship rocked gently in the sun. And on that ship, a crew of pirates had just made the most exciting discovery of their lives. A treasure chest. And inside, 12 gleaming gold coins shining like little suns. Captain Redbeard slammed her fist on the deck. "Everyone gets an equal share," she roared. "Split those coins evenly, right now." The crew cheered. But then, silence. Someone counted the pirates, and something was very, very wrong. 4 pirates stood on deck, arguing loudly. Patch Eye, Pete, First Mate Flo, Barnacle Bill, and Big Boots B. 4 pirates, 12 coins. First Mate Flo grabbed a pencil. 12 divided by 4 equals 3 coins each. She started handing them out. 1, 2, 3 for Pete. 1, 2, 3 for Bill. 1, 2, 3 for B. But when she reached herself, she only had 2 coins left. Pete had 4. Someone had sneaked an extra. The deck erupted. Pirates everywhere. Coins rolling. Seagulls screaming. Total chaos. First Mate Flo blew her whistle. "Stop! Everyone freeze!" She pulled out her detective notebook. Something doesn't add up. If there are really 4 pirates, 12 divided by 4 is 3 each. But we're ending up with the wrong amounts. That means maybe there aren't really 4 pirates? She pointed dramatically at the crew. "Line up!" One by one, she counted. 1, 2, 3. She stopped. She counted again. 1, 2, 3. 3 pirates, not 4. Someone had been lying about how many crew members there were. Flo's eyes went wide. 12 divided by 3 equals. She grabbed the chalk. 4 coins each. She split the coins. 4 for Pete. 4 for Bill. 4 for B. Perfect. Equal. Fair. But who was the mystery 4th pirate? Flo crept slowly toward the back of the ship. There, half hidden behind a coil of rope, was a shadow. A very suspicious shadow wearing a very large hat. Flo shone her lantern into the corner. And there he was. A small figure with enormous ears, a patched jacket, and a fake name tag that said, "Totally a real pirate." He was a stowaway. He'd crept onto the ship during the night, pretended to be a crew member, and planned to grab an extra share of the gold. Flo crossed her arms. The stowaway gulped. "No gold for you," she said firmly. "Gold is only for the real crew, and real crew members don't hide behind ropes." The stowaway was escorted off the ship, politely, because pirates can be polite, and the real crew gathered around the chest. 3 pirates, 12 coins. Flo wrote it on the chalkboard in big, clear numbers. 12 divided by 3. She drew 3 circles. She put 1 coin in the first circle, 1 in the second, 1 in the third, then another round, and another, until every coin had a home. 4 coins in each circle, 4 coins for each pirate. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, fair and square. The crew cheered. Pete jingled his coins. Bill did a little dance. B held her 4 coins up to the sun and smiled. So here's what First Mate Flo taught us today. Before you divide anything, always count who's really there. Because division only works when you know the right number of groups. 12 coins, 3 pirates, 4 each. Remember, divide means share equally. Every group gets the same, and nobody sneaks extra coins. Not on Flo's watch. Next time, candy is disappearing from a jar every single night. Someone is helping themselves to more than their share. Can you figure out who? The mystery continues.